Greetings once again to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen. It's me, Celine Driver, again with another unboxing. But an unboxing with a brief story, if you will indulge me. A few months ago, I think it was actually late April, maybe early May, so month and a half, 2 months ago, I came across a watch from a certain manufacturer which I just fell in love with. Not only the watch and its recommendation by watch enthusiasts whose word I trust, but also the color combination was perfect for myself, being a Florida Gator fan and alum, and being orange and blue till the day I die. Sorry if that bothers anyone, and if you need me to explain it, let me know in the comments and I'll explain it. Anyway, I sought that watch diligently for about a month with zero results. Well, no, I shouldn't say zero results. There was one watch from some guy in Japan who wanted idiotic money for it, with no box, no papers, and a bracelet that looked like it had been thrown against a brick wall several times. So somebody bought it eventually for the amount of money that guy was asking for it. He's either a very good salesman or a very good thief. So I put up on watchuseek.com, WATCHUSEEK.com, under their want to buy area, my desire for that watch, and got nothing for another month. But I did get one reply outside of that watch saying, by the way, you should go check out this watch, which, as you know from several videos, is my beloved Seiko 5 in the orange bezel blue dial combination, which is the color combination I wanted, but obviously it wasn't that brand. But it was damn good looking on its own, so obviously I bought it. I've told you about how much I love this watch, but I always in the back of my mind hope that someday I would come across the other watch. Fast forward to about, well, a few days ago. Let's leave it at that. A few days ago, somebody actually responded to my What You Seek ad and said, by the way, I have one of those. By the way, I'm looking to sell it to fund another watch. Would you like it? And I said, well, let's see pictures. Let's see price. Pictures were great. Price was right where I was hoping it would be. And it's here. And it is a Glycine. Polishing pad is, ta-da! There she is. Look at that dial. Look at that sunburst. Look at that orange bezel. Beautiful watch. It's in beautiful shape. Everything is in great shape. And it is a Glycine. That's the part number, reference number, whatever you want to put it, 3863.18 Alpha Tango dot 0 O. I don't know what O, whatever. MB. 200 meter combat sub. GL224. Don't know what that means. Anyway. It's in beautiful shape. So obviously this is a used watch. It will need to be sized because I already tried it on and it's stupid big on me. But just look at that. And I've already taken this out of the box. I couldn't help it. I mean, I've been waiting for this watch for months. I took it out of the box before I started the video. It's just a beautiful, beautiful piece. And so thin. It wears beautifully once you size it. Drilled lugs. And the bracelet is in great shape. No scratch. I don't think there are no links removed from this thing. I either put them back on or he never took them off. Shows very little. Actually, I think I remember him saying he wore it maybe 5 times and then put it away. The bracelet shows no sign of what's called desk diver scratches. Well, maybe 1 or 2 there. Maybe that's just trick of the light, but anyway. Signed bracelet, double fold, push button clasp. It's in great shape. You can see the back is in beautiful shape as well. You have the Glycine logo. You have all the some of the particulars of the information of the watch. You have a signed crown, sharp bevel edges, nice polish to the polished parts. The dull part, well, the matte parts still have a nice sheen to them. Bezel works pretty good. I think it is only a 60 click bezel, but since I'm not a scuba diver, I don't really care. Lines up nicely. Well, it lines up nicely if the owner lines it up nicely. He did it again. It's just, and I got to get this right, folks, because it makes me crazy if I don't. There you go. Super luminova on all the critical parts, the pip, the numbers, the hands. I can't demonstrate that, of course, because I don't have a dark area to play with. Screw down crown, screw back case. I have some particulars here. It is a 42 millimeter diameter You can see that right there, Swiss made. So now I have 2 Gator watches. This will be Gator 1, this will be Gator 2. If I'm honest, this is more the correct orange than this one. This one's a little bit on the light side, but it is orange and blue. This is a darker blue. This color combination is more correct for the Gator purists out there, which I am one in some ways. But both of them are just gorgeous watches. This one obviously is more of a pilot's watch with the bidirectional non-click bezel and all the calculations and stuff, which I don't know how to use and don't really care to learn at this point. But both beautiful watches. Both have the stainless steel bands. They're both in great shape. This one was bought new. This one was bought near new. I just love the way the light. Look at that beautiful sunburst. How the light catches that and plays with the dial. Just gorgeous, and the bezel just explodes off the wrist. I'm gonna put this on. It doesn't fit obviously, but I'll just put it on so you get an idea of where we're at here. You can see there's plenty of overhang, but this is about where it's going to sit, and it just fits my wrist beautifully. Of course, you know, I have good sized wrists, so I can 42, 43 millimeter is my preferred size. So just I'm beyond happy. I've been chasing this watch for a little while. I mean, I don't consider this a grail watch in the traditional sense, like a couple of other watches that I chased that, you know, cost a ton, and you save and you save and you lust and you lust and you finally get it. It's not a grail like that, but it is a watch I wanted to get. It was on the back burner. I had searches going constantly on eBay and in other places in case one popped up. I was going to be ready. And when I, you know, it's like they say about looking for a girlfriend or a boyfriend. You find one when you're not looking. This is not working with me because I'm not looking for a girlfriend and none's presented themselves. But that's another subject. I wasn't looking to buy this watch right then and there, but it fell in my lap, and I would be a fool to pass it up. It's just beautiful, and I am, as the Brits say, I'm chuffed to have it. And as soon as we turn the camera off, look at that nice flat sapphire crystal. As soon as I turn the camera off, break out my tools, I'm going to size this baby. I'm going to start wearing it. So I'm going to leave the video at that, with that happy click the little bell icon so that when I produce another video, you'll be notified. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.